Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to censor on Discord. So I'm gonna type in here this is your code, and now I want to censor the code. So for that I'm entering here double vertical pipeline, and now I'm writing here my code, and again I'm entering two vertical pipelines and hitting on enter, and here you can see I've successfully censored the code. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.